Welcome back to Auto Cars. Today we will take a closer look at the 2016 Toyota Corolla, a sedan that continues to stand as one of the world's most trusted and recognizable names in the automotive industry. This video will focus on its exterior styling, performance elements, history, and features that made it a standout in its class. The Toyota Corolla has a legendary history that dates back to 1966, designed to be a practical, affordable, and reliable car for everyday drivers. Over the decades it has grown into one of the best-selling cars of all time. By 2016 the Corolla had already earned a reputation for durability and global appeal. The 2016 model represents the 11th generation of this icon, combining Toyota's tradition of reliability with modern design updates. Looking at the exterior design, the 2016 Corolla features a sleek and aerodynamic profile. The lines are sharper and more defined compared to previous generations, giving the sedan a bolder and more youthful appearance. The front fascia is dominated by a wide lower grille with a sporty black finish, complemented by narrow swept-back headlights that extend into the fenders. This styling not only enhances the car's looks but also improves airflow for better efficiency. The headlights are available in LED, giving the Corolla a modern edge in its class. The sculpted hood adds depth and character to the front, while the chrome accents around the grille provide a subtle touch of sophistication. Moving to the sides, the Corolla carries a clean and streamlined silhouette. The slightly flared wheel arches and sharp body lines contribute to its athletic stance. The car sits on stylish alloy wheels, with options ranging from 15 to 17 inches depending on the trim. The wheel designs balance elegance with a sporty character. The roofline is gently sloped, which gives the sedan a smooth flow from front to rear, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Towards the back, the Corolla features wraparound taillights with a distinct shape that emphasizes its width. The rear bumper is sculpted to integrate smoothly with the trunk, creating a cohesive and refined appearance. In terms of performance, the 2016 Corolla is powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 132 horsepower. While it is not built for speed, it focuses on efficiency and reliability. Toyota also offered a special eco version with Valvematic technology, providing improved fuel economy without compromising everyday usability. Paired with either a 6-speed manual, a 4-speed automatic, or a continuously variable transmission, the Corolla provides smooth driving tailored for urban and highway conditions. Some key features of the 2016 Corolla include its lightweight yet durable body construction, designed to meet global safety standards. The exterior mirrors come with integrated turn signals on higher trims, adding both functionality and style. Toyota also ensured that the design offered excellent visibility and aerodynamic efficiency, further supporting its reputation as a practical yet stylish compact sedan. The 2016 Toyota Corolla represents a balance of tradition and modernity. Its exterior design showcases bold styling and youthful energy. Its performance is tuned for efficiency and dependability, and its features enhance safety and functionality. Even years later, it continues to stand as a strong example of why the Corolla remains a global bestseller. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2016 Toyota Corolla exterior, performance, history, and features. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth car reviews, make sure to subscribe to Auto Cars, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below.